Sa loob ng maraming taon, dinedenay ng CIA na may psychic spies. Pero may mga dokumento na nagsasabing totoo sila. In 1970s, during Cold War, nabalitaan ng US na ang Russia nag-experiment sa mind control, remote viewing, psychokinesis, and mind projection. Lahat ng sinasabing imposible, sinusubukan nilang patunayan. So, syempre, hindi magpapatalo ang Amerika. So, gumawa sila ng sarili nilang psychic army. And just like that, Project Stargate was born. Hindi sila nag-recruit ng mga sundalo, hindi rin nila kailangan ng geniuses. And no, hindi sila naghahanap ng mutants tulad ni Professor X. Hinahanap nila mga taong kayang mag-focus, deep meditative focus. Remote viewing works like this. Bibigyan ka lang ng coordinates, walang context, no map, walang clue. Then tatanungin ka, ano ang nakikita mo? And here's the part na nagulat pati ang CIA. Kasi yung mga remote viewers, nakakakita talaga. Nakikita nila ang lugar na hindi pa nila napupuntahan. May isang remote viewer, si Pat Price, binigyan lang siya ng coordinates, pero na-describe niya ang eksaktong layout ng isang Soviet base kasama ang underground bunkers na classified at wala pang satellite images noon. Pero ito ang pinaka-weird. Noong 1984, isang viewer ang binigyan ng sealed envelope. Ang sabi lang ng monitor, ang nakita niya, massive ruins, pyramid-like towers, dust storms at mga tall tin humanoids na nagtatago sa ilalim ng lupa. Yes, humanoids, at ito ay sa Mars, 1 million years in the past. And before the session ended, he said,
"They are dying and waiting for someone to return."
May isa pang viewer, si Joseph McMoneagle, and he predicted ang pagbagsak ng Soviet Union, pag-angat ng China, at bagong military technology years bago pa mangyari. Naniniwala ang ilang agents na he wasn't predicting. He was remote viewing the future. Then Pat Price suddenly died. Heart attack daw. But days before that, he told someone,
"Someone is watching this project, and it isn't the CIA."
Who? No one knows, because the files were sealed and some were destroyed. In 1995, shut down ng project. Ang reason, hindi scientifically reliable. Pero may nawawalang files, may sinunog na documents, at may mga successful missions na hindi nila isinama sa report. Most insiders believe it never really ended. It just went deeper underground. Kung kaya ng utak ng tao makita ang past, ang future, at kahit iba pang mundo, then ano pa ang hindi sinasabi ng CIA? This is Decoded Files PH, where facts meet forbidden truth.